Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and would like to talk about today about the Great Britain pound US dollar pair. As cable here, it is also being called, witnessed a strong, let's say, move to the downside from the moment that the 170, 171, also almost 172 came there. I would like to start with the daily chart, as this daily chart here shows the possible rising wedge that has been broken to the downside. I'm talking about the 2 to 4 trend line here that has been broken to the downside. And starting with this moment of time, I would say that the whole movement to here to the downside is nothing but the beginning of a corrective wave, of course, to go even lower. However, at the current levels here, this is a strong support from my point of view, as market is at a previous level here, directed as a support as well. Take a look here. This is the contracting triangle of a lower degree. When market tried here as well to the downside, failed, and then popped higher. Now the same, or this area is the area we are interested to buy call option this week. All right. So market tried here for the 167.70 area here. So tried once, failed. Tried second time, failed. Then managed to pop higher. Here, support. Now here normally it should be support. In terms of anticipating the move, normally the market from here should go retest this trend line here and then to move to the downside. That means maybe a 170 or at least 169 as well to come, and that would be the let's say the outcome of this move. If you go and take a look at this move from the highs and to the downside here, what we have is a so-called not an impulsive move, definitely, but an impulsive move in the makings. Probably we already have a first wave that is done around here, and this to be an X wave because it is channeling too well. If you go and take a look at it, it is simply channeling too well. So what I would like to do heading into next week is to buy call options here at the opening on Monday, with end of week expiration date. And end of week expiration date, it means that in terms of the daily chart that we have here, it means that the market will need to have something like what, 5 trading days starting with Monday, and at the end of the week on Friday, price to be higher than the striking price. Striking price meaning the opening candles on the opening price on Monday. So let's write here that looking to buy call options with end of week expiration date at the opening on Monday. Again, this is, if you want, a simple analysis only based on the previous resistance area. So market tried, take a look, it grow all the way to the upside. Market tries here all the time, fails 1, 2, 3 times, and then eventually breaking higher. Then this area becomes support, former resistance becomes support, and tries here, forms a contracting triangle that acts as a reversal pattern, in the sense that it is breaking the other way when compared with the previous trend, and now effectively falling in its head, but into this area, which should provide support. We have important fundamental data to be released next week for cable. I'm talking about the jobs data. I'm talking about the second estimation for the GDP on Friday, and this should bring volatility on the pair. We will be prepared, as starting with Monday, we'll buy call options, end of week expiration date. Thank you for being here. Make sure you check fairbinaryoptions.com. All our reviews with the brokers and so on, plus the Binary Options Academy, where a lot of interesting technical and fundamental mini educational series projects are there. So a lot of information for our traders. Thank you and bye-bye.